The CIA planned a nuclear-powered drone which would mimic the flight of a bird to carry out top-secret missions above Russia and China. This isn't the plot to a Netflix or Amazon original. It even includes Area 51. Hey everyone, my name is Sean and welcome to Geeksvana. As regular viewers will know, we bring you a mix of content focused on drones and tech. This includes the latest drone news, drone and tech how-to videos, and even some fun live streams. To get more like this, subscribe and hit the notification bell to get your drone news first. So let's take a look at Project Aquiline, which was a drone project being proposed and developed by the CIA in the 1970s. The core mission was to produce a drone aircraft which could fly long distances, carrying out secret missions in the skies above Russia and China, while somehow blending in and remaining unnoticed. The CIA has recently declassified a raft of documentation about the project from the early 1970s, which reveals, amongst other things, plans to fit nuclear propulsion to the drone and have it based from Groom Lake in Nevada desert. That's right, the renowned Area 51. Why was this project even considered? The project has its roots in the 1960s, where events such as the shooting down of a U-2 spy plane over the Soviet Union and the political fallout surrounding pilot Gary Power's incarceration made the continuation of manned spy flights to be less desirable. So, a focus was placed on gaining the information without the risk to life or political drama. The solution? A drone which could soar majestically in Russian skies, all the time looking like a simple bird. From a distance, the model was indistinguishable from an ordinary vulture or buzzard. Project Aquiline didn't remain a simple dream on a page. McDonnell Douglas built the hardware, testing at least 5 prototypes. One 1968 CIA briefing noted, "It is small, flies low and slow, having a small visual, acoustic and radar observables, can outfox defences rather than overpower them." Intended as a spy aircraft which could get up very close and personal to enemy facilities, the drone was intended to carry differing payloads, including photographic and infrared cameras, as well as eavesdropping technology to listen in to Russian communications. Power would come from a planned 3.5 horsepower engine, which had its origins in chainsaw technology driving a prop. However, the CIA planned on leaping forward with the planned introduction of a radioisotope propulsion system beginning in 1973. This gave the drone theoretical stats including increased altitude capabilities and a flight endurance of approximately 50 days. Although the heavily redacted documents show that this particular drone concept was dropped, the clear benefits of a small, long-range spy drone able to keep airborne for more than a month and even drop equipment behind enemy lines is simply too attractive, and I'm sure the CIA kept on developing other similar aircraft. There have been some sightings over the years in combat theatres of bird-like drones, with craft discovered as recently as 2011 in Pakistan. What are your thoughts on this story? What wild and wonderful drone technology do you think exists within the intelligence networks of the world? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I really would be fascinated to hear them. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.
Please remember to like and subscribe.
All right, you're still here. No one to see.